Oh, thank you, guys! I learned that friends always come through. And if you wait long enough, everything gets taken care of for you.
That's not the moral of this story!
We paid your debt so Randy wouldn't pinch you! Because of your recklessness, we're broke!
What are you saying? No matching shirts at the concert?
No shirts! And no concert! We had to sell our tickets to get enough money! Poor Bee is beside herself!
I saved for years to see Brandon.
That's impossible! You guys were loaded!
So were you! Yesterday!
I'm so sorry, guys.
You were selfish, stubborn, and lazy.
Not being a good friend!
Well, I guess you'll want to take me to lunch now.
Take you to lunch? Oh, this was the last time, Milo! You get no more chances! Come on, Bee! Let's get out of... Yeah, let's go!
Oh, they're gone! Randy should have pinched me!